As long as our eyes are closed, we walk through life blindly. We go from one job to another, one party-filled weekend to another, or we bounce from one partner to another. Later, sometimes much later, we wonder why we feel dissatisfied with our lives. We wonder where all the years have gone, and we become aware of a deep emptiness inside. To forget their emptiness, a lot of people choose to work more, numb themselves with substances, or they withdraw. Others come to a point of awakening. They open their eyes, reflect deeply upon themselves and take stock of their life. They awaken and begin to ask questions such as, what is the meaning of life? Or, what is my life's purpose? Just like you, I was once caught for many years in this empty cycle, which stole joy and vitality from my life and negatively affected my well-being. With divine grace, I was guided to Hawaii, the land of aloha, and led on a journey of profound awakening, healing, and transformation. It was here in Hawaii where I began to ask myself the question, what is my life's purpose? I came to understand that our life's purpose is based on the language of our heart, mind, and soul. Living out your life's purpose can gift you with a laser focus, life force, passion, and direction. Your purpose-based mission can guide you to places and people with a force that's difficult to obtain through intentions and goals alone. When you allow your life's purpose to guide you in making decisions and choices, it becomes easier to overcome challenges, change your life as well as the lives of others for the better, and realize your dreams. When you follow your heart towards fulfilling your dreams, it's very natural that obstacles arise. Your life's purpose and your core wound are intertwined. Once you address your negative patterns, instead of trying to avoid them, you can begin to focus on your life's purpose and your greater destiny. Tapping into the voice of the divine is about listening to your inner voice and your own heart and having the courage to follow. By going deep into your heart, you connect with your soul and communicate with the gentle but powerful voice of the divine. As you do this, I encourage you to trust yourself and to act with the confidence as if you were being led by the hand of God. Aloha! I'm Yves Nager, a renowned author, transformational healer, coach and workshop facilitator. I'm a passionate world explorer, orienteerer and world-class mapper. This makes me a very gifted guide to help you discover and manifest your life's purpose. My soul-led path through life has taken me around the world seeking answers, knowledge and healing from a vast array of sacred sites, wisdom keepers and renowned healers and teachers. From my journeys, I discovered my mission in life is to be a purpose-driven guide, offering my healing gifts in service to others and helping people just like you reconnect with your deepest passions, well-being and true happiness. My mission as a soul guide enables me to facilitate your healing and the revealing of your life's purpose, which allows you to achieve a deeper connection with yourself and those closest to you, and to express the passion of your being. My passion to help others has led me to teach over 150 workshops around the world as a healer and facilitator. My clients' testimonials to their healing is the deepest expression of my love and practice. Explore my website and register for my private VIP retreats, group workshops and one-on-one consultations to begin your transformational healing journey today. Mahalo.